For some reason, my PlayStation was not sending my microphone chat audio out to my YouTube streams. I'm not sure when this happened, but it must have happened when Sony released an update for the PS5. Today, I will show you my simple fix for this problem. I found out about this problem after I was notified by one of my subscribers that they couldn't hear me on my stream. I checked everything to make sure my USB mic was hooked up properly. I then checked the microphone and broadcast settings on the PS5, and everything looked fine. This made me even more confused because I could hear my audio perfectly fine, but it was not going out to my streams after numerous tests. But I finally found the problem. I will first show you my troubleshooting process. First, I checked my controller to make sure the mute button was off, and that was fine. Then I went to settings, down to sound, adjust microphone level, and make sure my levels were okay. And my levels were fine. You won't see my levels here because I'm recording by PS Remote Play. I then went down to capture and broadcast, audio, and make sure include voice chat was activated. That was activated, but the sound was still not going out to my stream. So I decided to start a stream. After I started the stream, I went back into broadcast, and then I clicked on the first section with the streaming icon, and the hidden menu came up, and there's a microphone in that hidden menu. You want to make sure that mute is off. After I made sure mute is off, my audio started going through to my stream. I'm not really sure why Sony would put this hidden menu here, and it doesn't correlate with what you do in captures and broadcast or in the microphone settings. But I'm glad I found it, because my audio is now going out to my stream. Hopefully, if you're having the same problem, this video will help you out. If it did, drop me a like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I will catch you guys in the next one.